Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today we're going to talk about a road that was blocked by residents yesterday, in the road between Westmoreland and St. James. Now you have two main routes between Westmoreland and St. James. One you can go through Negril and go up the coast. It's not that one we're talking about. It's the one from the Macfield Main Road that takes you into Anchovy down into Montego Bay. The one by Ferris in Savlamar that takes you, the road was recently renovated up to Macfield. Very nice road. It's like a highway. We have videos up. You can check it out. Montego Bay Highway or Macfield Main Road. Very nice road. But the section that was blocked is between Macfield and St. James. Now, we don't usually talk about roads that are being blocked, but this blocking of the road brings up a bigger problem. Now, here's why we're talking about it today. The Prime Minister, up to 2 weeks ago, or let's just say a government official, announced that they were going to be fixing the road. a major fix to the road. So it would be like the Macfield Road. NWA had plans to patch in on the road this week. They actually started the bushing of the road last week. But the people are now blocking the road because they want proper roads. I think one of the problems is communication. You have the Montego Bay Perimeter Road. Every day you hear it's being extended to here, it's being extended to there. Then you have the Montego Bay Bypass, which is going to be a part of the Montego Perimeter Road. I think people are confused as to what is going on. I think the NWA needs to do a better job at communicating. And also NROC. Because let's go through the details now. A government official announced a new road for the dangerous Long Hill in St. James. And it was also said, can you imagine if it's easier for you to travel back and forth? We have already given the directives to NROC, that's the National Road Operating and Constructing Company, to determine the routes and do planning from Montpelier to connect back to Macfield. So now you're linking St. James Southern with Westmoreland. That's what a government official said. So the NROC is on it. Now NWA, this is the same structure road we're talking about now, or a part of it. NWA said that they started bushing the road last week, and then they were to start patching the road the day of the protest. So I'm not sure why. No, the protests were, this is an article about the protests. A section of the main road between St. James and Westmoreland in the vicinity of Chester Castle in Hanover and Macfield in Westmoreland was blocked by residents who are protesting about poor road conditions in the area. The roadway is the main gateway between the city of Montego Bay to St. James Southern, Hanover Eastern, and Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth. And it is the condition of the road that they are complaining about. But NWA said that they were planning to fix the road up to this week. NROC has been instructed to, and if NROC is doing it, they are not patching the road. They are going to build a new road. So I'm not sure what the disconnect is as to what led to this. So this is what the NWA said now. Monday's peaceful protest by residents of Hanover has been blamed for delaying the start of a $17 million project to repair the roads they are complaining about. NWA had plans to fix the road. And they went further to say they're going to be fixing the road today. So I'm not sure what the disconnect is, but it's a bit confusing. They need to come out and say, okay, we're fixing all the roads leading to Montego Bay. We're fixing the road from Macfield to Montego Bay. This is the name of the project. But even sometimes they have, for instance, Spanish Town Road, Grange Lane. Spanish Town Road, they laid pipes and then they said they had a contractor to pave over the road. No work has been done. Then you hear they are looking to the EU for $11 billion to rehabilitate the road. When people thought the road project to rehabilitate the road was already given to a contractor, because that was what was put out. Grange Lane in Montego Bay, in Portmore, the road is going to be widened to 4 lanes. It was announced that they gave it to a local contractor. Then you hear they're looking for, I think, $1 billion from the EU to do the project. So it's a bit confusing. It's like the left hand doesn't know what the right hand is doing. Even I get confused sometimes, because I thought Spanish Town Road, well, let's not go there. They need to have a press conference, put out something in writing so that the people know what's going on. Because those protests yesterday, based on what the NWA says and what NROC is supposed to be doing, it shouldn't be necessary, because the road is going to be patched and NROC is going to fix the road permanently. So I am not sure where the disconnect is. So guys, let us know what you think. And this road you're looking at is not the road. This is we're on, what's the name of this? Where those trucks are, to Windward Road, and then we're going to turn on to Mountain View Avenue. All right, guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. And leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. All right, guys, have a good day.